The medical superintendent of Obuasi Government Hospital, Dr. Kwadwo Asamoah Nyarko, has assured that the coronavirus situation in Obuasi have steadied as a result of the enduring efforts of the municipal chief executive and health workers in the municipality.
Given that Obuasi became a household name at a point in time, we have actually stabilized. And this is actually due to the good work that was done by the public health emergency team, headed by the municipal chief executive, and the sacrificial work that the whole of the health fraternity put in. So it's not as bad as it used to be in time past.
Speaking on PPEs distributed to the Middle Belt from the COVID-19 Trust Fund, the doctor in charge of Adansi Treatment Center said the items will play a key role in the fight against the novel in the municipality. He addressed that regardless of the little, health workers have worked immensely to overcome the situation. Therefore, the availability of resources will intensify their efforts towards the combat.
Tremendous. In fact, it's going to have a tremendous impact on our activities. You know that apart from Obuasi previously being tagged as a hotspot, we also are a treatment center. And the treatment center actually takes care of about 5 or 6 districts. As it is now, we started work with the little that we have, because we had a promise that soon the fund will come to our aid. And today is the day that the fund has actually responded to our call. Like the fund chairperson said, this is only the beginning. So it should not prevent others from donating as much. Our center is actually designated to take care of Adansi North, Adansi South, Asuka, Obuasi East, Obuasi Municipal, and then Akrofrom District. So this that we have will actually enhance our work. It will also give the health workers a lot of confidence, because like we have known, we have been working with the very little that we have. And that puts a lot of stress and fear on the health workers.
Okay, Doc, please the full name again and the position.
My name is Dr. Kwadwo Asamoah Nyarko, and I'm the medical superintendent of Obuasi Government Hospital. Currently, I'm also in charge of the Adansi Treatment Center, which takes care of the 5 districts that I said. Yeah.
The COVID-19 Trust Fund was established to mobilize resources from the general public to empower efforts being made by the government.